So yesterday I was scrolling Instagram and then I found a meme. Like, what? Spider-Man is actually so good in the game and people don't even realize that. See, I've been a big fan of Spider-Man and the reason I installed Marvel Rivals is because of Spider-Man and to play Spider-Man. Yeah, I did face a little difficulty when I just started the game, but then I found out some tips and tricks very easily. This is how you play Spider-Man in Marvel Rivals. Let's go. So yeah, there's one setting which you need to change while playing Spider-Man. So just go ahead to the settings and there you have to choose Spider-Man here. And if you go to the combat section, you can find automatic swing. And this will be turned on by default and you have to turn it off. Which actually makes you swing whichever direction you actually want to. So like if you aim at a wall and then you swing. You see that? You can actually like shoot the web at the direction you're actually pointing to. So you have the freedom to go any direction if you have that setting off. Because when it's an automatic swing, it automatically grips to a point so that you don't have the freedom to do it. When I aim the crosshair down onto the land, you can actually do a web zip. So you can see this is web zip. And if you point it upward, then he swings. So another movement technique that you can use while using Spider-Man is bunny hopping. So for doing that, you need to jump and just right when you're web zipping onto the ground, you need to shoot a web and then jump. That's how you bunny hop. So let me show you now. That is how you bunny hop. And this is how it looks without the bunny hop. I mean, it takes a little practice for the timing in the beginning, but then you'll get used to it. So the other movement mechanism which you can use while playing Spider-Man is to gain a lot of momentum using the uppercut. So for doing that, you need to swing. When swinging, just cancel the swing by jumping and then pressing the F button for the uppercut. So let me show you how it works. This is how you cancel and then an uppercut. You see how I gained a momentum there? Let me show you once again.
Gonna get sticky.
That's how it works. So basically, there's one very powerful combo which you can use when using Spider-Man. So firstly, do your right click and then he launches the web. So when you do that, you can see the E. You can actually web zip onto the enemy when you actually fire those web onto him. You see, you get this mark, and that means the enemy is targeted. And when you do that, you can actually web zip. I'm going to show you once again. Fire on your enemy, you get this icon, and then press E. That's how you web zip onto the enemy. So you cannot normally web zip, but if you do that, there's another one brilliant thing which happens. When you see this icon on the enemy after you shoot it, you get double the damage. You see, this is my normal punch. And this is with extra damage. Look. That's how we get extra damage. So getting back to the combo. So just fire on the enemy, press E, and then an uppercut. An uppercut, you see the F, an uppercut, and this actually helps you do double the damage because we have this icon on the enemy. That means you can actually do double damage. Fire the enemy, press E and F, and then fire. That's it. 1, 2, 3, and then finish it with a normal punches. So another trick which you can use while using Spider-Man is you can actually pull enemies into the ledge. So for doing that, you need to jump onto the ledge and fire a web onto the enemy and then press E. I'm going to show you right now. Yeah, you see?
Crack the whip.
That's how we do it.
Yeah. Spider sling.
Look at this. That is how we do it. But you actually need to be careful enough because while pulling the enemy, you also might fall into the ledge. So you gotta be quick and then use the swing to escape.
Now I gotcha.
And also you can use this method with a team up also. Like when you have a friend who is using Doctor Strange, you can actually open a portal near a ledge and easily pull any guy. He might be a Vanguard, Hulk, any tank, or anyone. You can actually pull and throw them into the ledge. That's actually very easy. There are two team up abilities which you can actually use while using Spider-Man. So the first one is with Squirrel Girl, which is very simple. You actually get 10% damage boost, which I'm going to show you right now. I have Squirrel Girl in my team, and you see my damage. See, it's very easy to kill. So the other team up is Venom. When you have Venom in your team, you get a very good team up. I'm going to show you. So you see, I have a Venom in my team, and now I'm going to show you. You actually get Venom power when you click C. You see, it actually pushes enemies away and gives a lot of damage. So you can even use this combo, which is really useful. So just do the same as before, but click C at the end. So just shoot E, F, C. That's how you actually kill the enemy. There's no other way he would survive if you use this, which is a really good combo. You have to consider using when you have a Venom in your team. And also, the ultimate of Spider-Man is also very powerful. You see, when you actually find a group of enemies, just go in between them and just press Q and see the magic. So let me wait for these guys to come here and then Q. Look, I just got a double kill. He actually kills and takes the whole health bar of any duelist or a strategist. So for tanks and for Vanguard, it actually, you know, as they have a lot of health, he might not kill them, but still he does a lot of damage. If you did not like the video, please consider liking this video because it helps us make more videos like this. And you have doubt about any other character, any other hero, you can just comment down below and I'll make a video on them. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you didn't already. You in the black shirt, I'm talking to you. Yes, you subscribe right now.